We are here, Abeg. Abeg, hurry now. Come and pay for our Okada. Abeg.
I will pay for Okada?
Yes.
I will be the one to pay for Okada?
Yes.
Okay. You are here with your friend?
Yes.
What's your name?
Ayola.
Name is Ayola?
Yes.
So two of you are here. Let's go inside, Ojiri. Let's go inside.
Baboloye, you are hungry.
You are hungry?
Yes.
I will be the one to buy the food for you.
No.
No problem. Let's go and get food.
All right.
Are you playing? What type of play is this? You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. You don't know why it's going on.
You get it? Let's go inside.
Baboloye, we are tasty.
You mean you are still tasty?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get you drink. What do you think? Okay, let's get drink before we enter inside.
All right.
To be mumu. You think say they wise?
Jesus.
After you guys have drink a lot of drink today and enjoy yourself. Ajoti, let's go and do the doo-doo. Let's go inside and do the doo-doo.
Baboloye, I'm on my period.
If you're on your period, then tell your friend to help you. Maybe your friend cannot help you.
Okay. Ayola, yes, please, can you help me out? Yes, I can help you.
Hey! Ayola,
Yes, Baboloye.
let's go and do the doo-doo. Let's go inside and do the doo-doo.
Sorry, Baboloye. My period.
You mean you guys will not go and do the doo-doo?
Yes, now.
So when you are coming, instead for you to come alone, you come with a friend. I did not talk. You go take me to Amala Junction. I did not talk. I pay for your bike. I pay you guys bike money. You say you are tasty, but you are in your period. So all this while we have been going up and down. Two of you are in your period. Hey. What can I do? What can I do now?
Please follow me.